guys will be a little mark on the red on side that'll say 5K 1 mile because you're starting further back. When you go past the water tables, you go straight, then left over the bridge, and then come on back. You'll come back this way.
Cheers.
On your mark. Get set. Go.
I'm sorry.